Following the popularity of Tenor D, the Tenor D2 features a widescreen 18:9 LTPS display. This is the new phone from Tenor and is crafted for Amazon. You can choose from two color options, Beyond Black and Glow Gold. The phone is available in two variants. The 2GB RAM variant has an internal memory of 16GB, which can be expanded up to 128GB, while the 3GB RAM variant comes with a 32GB internal memory and can be expanded up to 128GB. This phone comes with dual standby SIM slots, both supporting 4G connectivity. Tenor D2's widescreen with 18:9 ratio and 5.45-inch HD Plus screen creates an immersive viewing experience. You can also use the facial recognition feature to unlock your phone. The Tenor D2 features a 13-megapixel rear Sony camera and a 5-megapixel front camera with a flash feature for clear pictures and selfies. Preloaded with Amazon apps, the Tenor D2 runs on Android Oreo and is powered by the 1.4 GHz Snapdragon 425 quad-core processor. It also has the Adreno 308 600 MHz GPU for sharper graphics. The phone comes with a 3200 mAh lithium polymer battery. The Tenor D2 comes with a travel charger, USB cable, ejection pin, and a quick start guide. The phone is made available through various EMI options, cash on delivery, net banking, or payment through your debit or credit cards.
An Amazon exclusive.